gonna do it one big crack. The rest of the raffles when I make my way that way. We are at number 30. It keeps falling. I walk in too much. My face is getting skinny. My glasses keep falling off.
Oh yeah, 30 because they added
We are at number 30 after we added in the rest up there. And the judges flip. Flip, flip. And I know some of you are asking if you guys can change, but just give us a little bit more time and we'll let you know. We may have a dance-off. And the judges are ready. From Colorado, hello Kalama, Shonda C. Again, tonight's Tuafi competition starts at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. on the dot. It's going to be so cool to see the fire knives under the moonlit sky. If you was here at last night's concert, you got to see a sneak peek of what our fire knife dance looks like. But because there's 20 competitors, we can't have it on the